What's going on, Ranger Nation? Red K here. I haven't done a video in a while, about a week or so, but unfortunately I had a death in the family. Kind of had to take care of that stuff, but we're back, and yeah, Adam, the Black Ranger from the Power Rangers movie, is here. His character is so dope. I can't even. I've only been playing with him for about a day or two, a day and a half, but I'm going to show you what I've got right now. I'm going to go through what he can do and what I think he can do until I find something else. So check it out. We're going to get into it right now. So here we are in the lab. You see we have Doggy, Anubis, his extra skin. I'm playing his super literally breaks the game. Check it out.
Maximum Ninjetti power!
Like, the frames in the game actually are bad. I think they might have fixed a little bit of it, but he can dash twice, dash around you.
Present for you!
Yeah.
Over here, have some!
Pretty dope. So,
let's finish this! Maximum Ninjetti! Shall we dance? I'm the frog, courageous in spirit! Rip! Out of sight!
there we go! 3.
Back! See ya! Be right back! I'll be back! Shall we dance? Follow my lead! Here's the finale!
Not bad. 487 for a 1 bar.
Rip! Present for you! Shall we dance? Out of the way! Present for you! Shall we dance? Follow my lead! Here's the finale!
1 bar. 95. Oh, they pop up. Not bad at all.
Yeah. See ya! Be right back! See ya! I'll be back! Start! I'll be back! See ya! I'll be back! Be right back! I'll be back! Be right back! Present for you!
You get the idea.
Out of sight! Be right back! Out of the way! Present for you! I'll be back! Out of the way! Present for you! Out of sight! Over here!
I had it.
See ya! Rip! Present for you! Be right back! I'll be back! See ya! Rip! Present for you! Over here! Up here!
Phenomenal!
Be right back! I'll be back! Out of the way! Waiting for you! Out of sight! Shall we dance? Follow my lead!
Let's go.
Here's the
Let's
finale.
go. Let's freaking go, man. 687 off a run dash cancel into a run dash cancel. There's all kind of variations to that, but
Over here! Out of sight! Up here! Out of sight! Over here!